Panasonic presents इंडिया का त्योहार Panasonic का उपहार शुभोत्सव ऑफर. Double your joy and celebrations this festive season with Panasonic Shubhotsav Festival offer from 14th September 2016 to 6th November 2016. You buy, you win. You win otherwise too. Panasonic makes you a winner this festive season, offering exciting prizes not only on every Panasonic product purchase, but even on a Panasonic brand store visit too. With exciting gifts like Maruti Suzuki Ertiga, Suzuki Access Limited Edition scooters as mega and bumper prizes, gold and silver coins, recliner, Firefox cycles, male grooming kits, female styler kits, and automatic rice cookers gift box on offer on different products. This Diwali surely promises to be a cracker of a season. Every Panasonic product you purchase entitles you to assured gifts like cashback up to 10,000 rupees and sure shot entry into the mega and bumper lucky draw contest, where you get a chance to win a Maruti Suzuki Ertiga and 6 Suzuki Access Special Edition scooters. It also entitles you to play Tombola, that gives you a chance to win gold and silver coins on a full house, upper middle and last rows. One can also get a recliner worth 38,999 rupees with a 4K LED TV, or a Firefox cycle worth 12,990 rupees with the Panasonic Step Fit. As buyers get lucky, visitors are not left behind. Walk-in customers have their share of joy and fun through interesting contests like Play and Win, Shout and Win, and Selfie to Win. Play to win. No festivity is complete unless you've had a round of Tombola. So this festive season, walk into a Panasonic brand store and indulge yourself into a game of Tombola starting 21st of October 2016. Get a chance to win a Suzuki Access Special Edition scooter, gold coins, and up to 10% assured discount on MRP on selected products. Shout to win. Shout! Shout your lungs out. Shout Panasonic as loud as you can. And the loudest shout of the day will win a male grooming kit or female styler kit worth 3,645 rupees. One winner every day. You can participate in the contest from 1st of October till 30th of October 2016 by giving a missed call to the contest hotline or mobile number for participation. You will receive a callback with a prompt to shout. Your decibel score will be updated by the IVR. Selfie to win. Strike a pose and click a selfie and upload it on your Facebook page with hashtag MyPanasonic and tag Panasonic Facebook page. The best selfie of the day will get an automatic rice cooker gift box worth 3,495 rupees. So, what are you waiting for? Visit a Panasonic brand store near you. Bring home the best home appliances and be a winner this festive season.